let's go ahead onto the GitHub first. So to have an account on GitHub, you need to go to this website first. So let me go to this website. So this is the screen you will be getting. And then if you are already having an account in GitHub, then you can directly go to sign in. But if you don't have an account, then you need to have an email address. And email address can be your company's address, your college address, your personal address. But my advice would be to have your personal email address to use it, because that is going to be permanent. Other things are not going to be permanent. So you are first going to sign up. So you will get this window. And here you're going to enter your email ID. So I'm going to put my email ID, abhishek@qtiminds.com. Then I'm going to continue. I'm going to create a password. Then continue. It is going to ask me again to enter a username. Then continue. So it is saying verify your account. So create account. Then it is saying that some password will be coming here. So let me check my password. So this is the password I have received. I'm going to copy paste it here. Okay. Then you can define how many people you're going to work on this project. So because I'm going to be alone first, so I'm going to say just me. I'm going to continue. And then what specific features are you interested in? You can leave it for now and continue. So like this way, your GitHub project is ready. So what do you need to do? If you are lost, just go to this icon. You just go to this icon and go to your profile. So once you're on your profile, you will see this thing, overview. And in overview, you go to the repository. We had already created a repository, but let's create a new repository. So you click on new and give a repository name. So whatever name you want to give. Say, for example, you want to give QTI Lab Demo 1. This is our repository name. It is asking what description you want to give. So you can give a description that this is my first demo repository. This is my first demo repository. So you can make it public or private. Public means it will be visible to everyone. Private means it will be visible to just to limited people. So let's keep it public. You can add a README file. So README file you have added, and then you can ignore rest of the things. Then create the repository. So now it is your repository is created. So if you see here, you are seeing this readme.md file, and it is showing initial commit because this is the first change you have brought it into your repository. So your repository name is QTI Lab Demo 1, and in this one you have created first file, that is readme.md. MD stands for Markdown. So this is how you're going to do. In this case, if you want to modify something, you can click here on this readme file, and you will see that it is written, this is my first repository. Then you can write author as Abhishek, for example. This is my name. So if you say author, and after doing this one, you need to commit the changes. Basically, you need to make sure that it is uploaded. So if I commit the changes, then it is asking commit message. So some message we are saying update readme file because we are updating the readme file, and commit directly to the main branch and commit changes. After doing this one, if you see here, so in your repository, if you go back to say profile, and then go to your repository and go to your demo 1 repository. So what you are seeing here, it is showing that this is the change you have brought in. But if you see, we had put in the next line, but here it is not showing in the next line, the author thing. So this thing can be done in a simpler way. It is kind of a HTML file. So basically after this one, you need to give HTML command like this break, then it will work fine. So then if you again commit changes, the same thing, you leave it and do it, then you would nicely see that your name has come up nicely here. So now you have learned how to create your account in GitHub and how to create repository and how to commit changes over there.